Find the slope of the following lines. Well, the nice part about our following lines here is that there's points on here, and when we're given a line and using slope, we're just doing rise over run. So let's draw a triangle here. We're going to rise, and then we're going to run. Just slightly different from the notes, but I'm going to count 1, 2. There we rose, 2 spaces, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 over 6, we went up and to the right, so it's positive. If you do happen to simplify, that would become 1/3. But 2/6 is fine with me. Check with your geometry teacher in terms of what they would like. Again, slope on problem 10 is rise over run. Hopefully you draw your line straighter than me. But let's darken that in a little bit better here, and then we'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We rise 10. We ran 1, 2, 3, 4 to the left, which means that's going to be negative. I just want to check one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, check with your geometry teacher, but if you happen to simplify that fraction, that would be negative 5/2. For Mrs. Danhoff, I'm happy with 10 over negative 4. Try to do better drawing my triangle this time, but we're going to rise and run. So when we rise, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we're going to run 2. We went up 8, so that's positive. We went 2 to the right. And if we simplify, that would be 4/1, or just 4. Again, I'm happy with any of those 3 answers. Rise over run. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 up, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to the left. Nope, yes, 7 and 7 to the left, which means it's a negative 7. So this simplifies to be negative 1/1, or negative 1. So if you look at this, we can't rise any, so we can't rise at all, but we can run from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, but 0/8 simplifies to just 0, and the slope of a horizontal line does happen to be 0. Lastly, on using rise over run for our slope here, if we draw our triangle, rise, run, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We rose 4, and we ran 7 to the right. Just want to check that one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, 4/7.